Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Ionos account. Let's get started. First, log into your Ionos account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the email section from the main dashboard. Now, you'll see a list of your email products. Select the one you'd like to delete. Next, look to the right side of the screen. Click on the three-dot icon next to the email product you selected. From the drop-down menu, click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the account. If you're certain, go ahead and click Delete again to confirm the action. And that's it. Your email account will be removed from Ionos. Make sure to double-check before deleting, as this action is usually permanent and may result in loss of emails or data associated with that account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.